Do number system hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Here the hexadecimal number is given 4D2, base is 16. It has to be converted into decimal, so there is a question mark. So we'll write this hexadecimal number, given number we'll write separately. The digits will give some space and write like this 4D2. Starting from the right side, the weight of this position can be considered as 0, this one 1, this one 2. So the weight of this 0 position will be 16 to the power 0, because this is hexadecimal number system and the base is 16. So the weight will be in terms of power of 16. As the position is 0, so weight of this position is 16 to the power 0. Next, this position is position 1, so the weight of this position is 16 to the power 1. This position is 2, so the weight of this position is 16 to the power 2. Now, as we know, to convert from any system to decimal, we have to multiply the phase value with the weight of each position. So phase value is 4 into the position is 2 and the weight is 16 to the power 2. So phase value into weight is 16 to the power 2. Then we'll plus. Then for next position, hexadecimal digit is D into 16 to the power 1 plus next position 2 into 16 to the power 0. So 16 into 16 is 256, 4 into 256 plus D into 16. Now D means what? In hexadecimal you know that we will refer to a hexadecimal chart here, hex and decimal chart. The numbers 0 to 9 in hexadecimal are present in decimal also, the same numbers 0 to 9. That means decimal number 0 to 9 is contained within the hexadecimal number also. But when we move from 10 onwards in the decimal system, it is like this 10, 11, 12, 13 like this. But in hex system or hexadecimal system, after 9 it takes some letters A, B, C, D, E, F. So this A letter represents decimal 10, B letter represents 11, C letter 12, D 13, E 14 and F 15. In decimal, as there are 10 digits 0 to 9, so it is decimal system. By combining 0 to 9 only, 1 0 1 1 like this can be made. But hexadecimal, as the name suggests, consists of 16 digits 0 to 9. In addition to that, 6 more digits A, B, C, D, E, F. So for easiness, this A, B, C, these letters can be compared with the decimal number. So A can be represented as 10, but we will not write it directly. For calculation purpose, we will consider A as 10, B as 11, C as 12, D as 13, E as 14 and F as 15. So we'll write it like this, D only, but we will consider it as 13 because from the chart we can see D means 13. Now this 13 should be multiplied with 16 and 2 is 2 only. In decimal also it is same as 2, and any positive number, any positive natural number to the power 0 means 1 except 0 and infinity. So 2 into 1, it will be like this. Now the results will be placed and they will be added to get the result 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4D2 in hexadecimal means 1, 2, 3, 4 in decimal. So it has been converted. Like this we will convert from hexadecimal to decimal.